back to the channel, everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm super tired. I don't know why. I'm gonna go get a coffee right now. We gotta pick a trailer up a couple miles away from the house, and we're taking Justin's trucks, both of them, somewhere. And I don't know when we're gonna see him again, if we will. Might be the last time on the channel. No one really knows for sure. We're gonna figure it out. I'm gonna get this coffee. Yeah, Big Chooch loading the Big Chooch. Let her go down more. Come back a little bit. Go in. Got Big Chooch cranking the Big Choocher. Got a lot of practice doing that, huh?
Yeah. Big black things in my hand flinging around. Expect the bottom dollar, buddy.
Alright, well, we just pulled up to Big Haas's house. So we gotta move all this crap. If anybody wants a rust-free tailgate, $700. Looks brand new. Got a bed too.
Right.
Not a scratch on it. You gotta clean all this shit out.
Where are you?
What the hell are the chances of this? It wasn't even in the tire. It was in the part of the tread right here, like that.
Water in them.
Do they?
Swing back by here, go here, and get home and pick up that car and bag.
Yep.
Easy.
Yeah. Left. Left. It ain't gonna work.
This is a beast. Holy squatting, bud.
Well, heck yeah, squat.
I know, I should have filled them up before we even started. Alrighty, folks. She's all ready.
Round two.
I know. How many times are you gonna tow this damn thing?
This is the last one.
Is it? Where's it going?
Tour the graveyard.
To the graveyard?
Yeah.
Diesel Dave's graveyard?
Diesel Dave's graveyard.
We'll tell them when we get there what's going on.
Yeah, we can do a little fucking compound review when we get there too.
Is that one going to the graveyard, or we're not sure?
Well, she's going to the graveyard, but she's gonna be resurrected here in a couple weeks.
Is that what's going on? We're gonna Big Daddy Haas. Big Chooch's Big Chooch. He's loading up the compressor right now with some air so we can fill these bags up. Cause she's a squatting. You think I came straight from Cali, dude?
I'll drive if you want me to drive. No, I'm gonna do that side.
See if it even see if she works. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
She's rocking.
Well, we're loaded up. We're on our way to the graveyard. I'm driving Justin's truck right now. I made him drive mine because I'm really not in the mood to tow a truck right now. I know I kind of just want to cruise and drive, but I think we're gonna switch here in half an hour or something. Truthfully, I kind of wanted to see what my truck looked like driving down the road. I haven't like seen my truck, you know, from far away driving. It looks pretty sweet in here at night. He's got this phone charger right there, and it lights up that custom offset sticker. It looks cool. Well, we got it unloaded, and big change of plans here. We basically what was supposed to happen is Justin's buddy was gonna yank the motor out of this one and yank the motor out of that one and basically combine the two together and just go through the motor and then put it back in Gracie. But the his buddy said how much for both of them. He told him the price. He said, all right, taking it. So we're gonna take, are we taking these wheels off right now? Basically what Justin's gonna do now is just take whatever he can take off of it, keeping the wheels. We're gonna take the radio out, take the glow shifts because he doesn't want any of it. And I think that's it. It's probably the last time it'll be on the channel. Wow, she's looking good, bud. Dude, I wonder if it's a little faster now.
Oh, I bet.
I'm sure it just chooches now. All right, I got these guys loaded up. Got to find a strap. Probably don't want to throw a chain over it unless we got something to put over it. All right, well, we got Gracie cleaned out and we got to head into town because something came in the deal with him buying the truck off of him, so we got to go pick this thing up. Might be something else fun for the channel, I don't know. Got to look at it and see what it's all about. There's Justin's one last ride in it. So maybe the last time you guys will see Gracie on the channel. But I think he's got something else in mind. So you're gonna have to click the notification bell obviously you gotta subscribe, do all the good stuff, and you'll find out what we're gonna go pick up. So we'll see you there. What the fuck you got going on here, bud?
Buddy, just picked up me a new ricer.
Is he out here?
No, we're gonna go up front.
Oh. Alright, give me a good one, bud. Gracie had plenty of life left in her. I can't see shit. Shoo! There you go. Well, that's that. That's gonna wrap up this video. You guys kind of seen what else we got. A little beater with a heater. It's got air in it too, so that's good. But I'm gonna head back to Justin's. I gotta unload all this stuff, drop the trailer off. I got all kinds of stuff to do for the rest of the night. It's gonna wrap it up though. Stay tuned. I bought some stuff for the truck. I got stuff coming in. I got some merchandise coming in Wednesday. Make a video, post it, show what I got for you guys. And yeah, stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like button, turn the notification bell on. All the support helps. I appreciate everyone so far. Trying to get this thing going, get what we can get on here. Yeah, thanks for watching.